Tahiti travel safety. Tips and tricks for a safe and enjoyable trip. Tahiti is a beautiful destination, but like any travel spot, it's important to stay safe. Here are some tips to ensure a secure and enjoyable trip. 1. Crime rate. Tahiti has a lower crime rate than many countries, but petty theft like pickpocketing is common. Be vigilant in crowded areas and secure your hotel room when you're out. 2. Protecting personal belongings. Keep an eye on your belongings during activities like snorkeling or surfing. Consider using a waterproof bag or leaving valuables in a hotel safe. 3. Natural disasters. Tahiti is prone to cyclones and earthquakes. Stay aware of the forecast and follow local authorities' instructions in case of an emergency. 4. Staying hydrated. Tahiti's tropical climate can lead to dehydration. Drink plenty of water, avoid alcohol or caffeine, and protect yourself from the sun with sunscreen, a hat, and protective clothing. 5. Emergency services. In case of an emergency, dial 112 for ambulance services and 117 for the police. It's also a good idea to have travel insurance that covers medical emergencies and evacuations. 6. Avoiding scams and tourist traps. Be aware of scams like fake souvenir sellers and overpriced tours. Research and book tours through reputable companies and agree on a fair price before getting into a taxi. 7. Water activities. Tahiti is known for snorkeling and surfing. Follow safety guidelines, respect local surf culture, and be aware of potential hazards like strong currents or coral reefs. By following these tips, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable trip to Tahiti. Happy travels! Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.